In this video we'll be looking at the steps to follow on existing files once you've installed the new Companies House Submission Pack 2021.01. The new submission pack is a one-off e-pack which must be installed by all users who wish to submit accounts to Companies House using the Companies House filing module. This e-pack should be installed after installing EP40502 for Accounts Advanced users and for Academy and Charity Accounts Advanced users after e-pack EPCA4.05.01. After installing the submissions guide, the toolbar updates should be taken on all existing files. For files in progress, when the accounts are open, select the Tools tab on the toolbar. Select KL Update, then take the Toolbar Update. For files which have had the date applied, you must first access the completion section of the wizard, remove the signed dates and return to the accounts. You can then take the toolbar update, again by selecting KL Update. Once the update has been taken, return to the completion section and reinsert the dates. You will now see the new submission interface is available when selecting the CH button on the iXBRL toolbar. For guidance on the new interface, please request a copy of our Companies House submission guide from the support team. Details of how you can contact the support team can be found on screen.